Hey everyone! If you're a travel junkie like me, then you're always on the lookout for those jaw-dropping views that make you go, wow! Today I'm taking you on a virtual journey to witness some of the most mind-blowing aerial views from around the world. Buckle up, because this is going to be an adventure you won't forget. First up, let's head over to the majestic cliffs of Moher in Ireland. Imagine soaring over those rugged cliffs with the Atlantic Ocean crashing below. The sheer drop and the endless blue horizon are enough to take your breath away. Next, we're off to the vibrant cityscape of Tokyo, Japan. From above, you can see the mesmerizing blend of traditional temples and ultra-modern skyscrapers. The city lights at night are like a sea of stars, twinkling in perfect harmony. Now, let's dive into the lush Amazon rainforest in Brazil. The canopy stretches out like a green ocean, teeming with life and mystery. From this vantage point, you can truly appreciate the vastness and beauty of one of the world's most vital ecosystems. Our next stop is the awe-inspiring fjords of Norway. Picture yourself gliding above these deep, narrow inlets carved by glaciers. The contrast between the steep cliffs and the serene waters below is simply magical. Moving on, we find ourselves above the iconic Grand Canyon in the United States. The sheer scale and intricate layers of rock formations are astonishing. It's like peering into the Earth's history, one stratum at a time. Let's not forget the crystal-clear waters of Bora Bora in French Polynesia. From above, the overwater bungalows and the vibrant coral reefs create a postcard-perfect scene. It's paradise, pure and simple. And finally, we can't miss the sprawling savannas of the Serengeti in Tanzania. Imagine watching a herd of wildebeest migrate across the plains with the golden sunset casting a warm glow over the landscape. It's nature at its most raw and beautiful. There you have it, folks, some of the most incredible aerial views you've never seen before. Whether you're planning your next adventure or just daydreaming from your couch, I hope this virtual tour has inspired you. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you next time.